If you have vanilla cake mix but want chocolate cake, there are several ways to convert it at home. You can add cocoa powder to the mix using 1/4 cup, 30 grams of cocoa powder for each packet of cake mix. If your mix calls for baking soda and you're adding natural rather than Dutch processed cocoa powder, try adding 1/2 cup of yogurt or sour cream to neutralize the acidity. This will also help add back moisture to balance out the cocoa you're including, so your cake doesn't turn out dry. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can substitute instant chocolate pudding mix by simply whisking it into the dry cake mix. You can also enhance the flavor by adding an extra chocolate layer. First, filling your cake pan halfway, and then drizzling in some chocolate syrup before adding the remaining batter on top. Mixing in chocolate chips to the batter will give it added sweetness. And if you want an especially strong chocolate flavor, replace any water the cake mix recipe calls for with coffee to bring out the richness in the cocoa. Once you've made your desired adjustments, follow the instructions on the cake mix package to bake your chocolate cake to perfection.